Ayan po si Kashi. Magbabalot siya ng order. Say hi, Kashi. Hi muna. Hello. Yan. Siguro, ano yan? TV. Ayan. TV, oh. Ayan si Kashi. Balutin niya muna ng balutin yan. This one, the wrapper. Then another one. Kaship, you make renew?
Yes.
Make renew, no? Then you go your country vacation. No problem your salary. Give madam 200. Next time, not give. Okay, madam. Because here, the arbab not always here, no?
Yes.
But another shop, problem for arbab always checking for you.
Yes.
No problem. You know already. You have to experience. Now you know how to sail. Now you have flower. That's why I tell like that one for Dana.
Anak ka, no?
I don't know, Dana. I tell not answer me, not open the yeah. He talk then badin he go. Ayan na guys. Binabalutan na ni Kashi. May flowers pa raw yan sa loob. Naga-unboxing siya. Yan guys, married po pala yan. Eh, pambigay nung customer. Huwag natin lagyan siya ng... Tapos yung babae naman guys, ayan, wala siyang mukha. May perfume, may dress, may watch ng babae, may perfume. Lahat puro perfume. Why you not put cover this one same?
No, cannot go.
No need cover? Ito na guys, ang natapos ni Kashi paggawa ng regalo niya. Ito po ay sa wedding cake. Wedding po siya. At regalo ng lalaki sa babae. Yan po ang regalo niya guys.